how to change Snapchat profile picture. To get started, first of all, open up the Snapchat application on your phone. Once you're in the Snapchat app and here on this screen, go over to the top left corner and tap on your profile. Here, you can edit and view your profile information. Now tap on Public Profile as shown. This is an overview of your public profile. Then, tap on the edit icon under the profile picture. After that, select a photo from your camera roll to make it your profile picture. Move and scale the photo the way you want and then tap on Confirm. You have now successfully changed your profile picture on Snapchat. You can do the same if you want to change your profile picture once again. So, by following these steps, you can easily change Snapchat profile picture.